I am making crystal.
So we are crystal growing
Final
jewelry.
color.
We got this kit, crystal growing jewelry. It has everything in it. Aluminum powder and some colors. And got an instruction sheet. The first step is to glue, and we have to wait for half an hour for it to dry. So once we have put the glue in it, and we are putting aluminum powder, it will take at least 3 hours to dry. After that, we're going to put in water for 24 hours.
Dry now.
So this one is already dried. It's had passed 3 hours. Jewelry has dried. We are now going to use hot water and 1/4 tablespoons of aluminum powder. Now we are adding hot water in the aluminum powder. Mix until it is dissolved. You can also add the color in the water if you want the color, the jewelry to be in one color, but we are not going to add color. We will decorate it once it's dried. And now we will wait 1 hour for it to come to the room temperature. Then we will add the jewelry. This is the way you need to put the jewelry in the jewelry should be like this, hanging on the glass, the water, and we will leave it for 24 hours and the crystal will grow. So after 24 hours the crystals have grown. This is how it looks like. And now it's time to decorate. So this is the way she is doing. Once the jewelry is dry, then she's gonna be wearing it. No. In this kit we got 2 stars, 3 circle ones, and 1 ring.
Yes.
You like it? Do you like it?
Yes.